Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Zaniya and I'm back with another video. I am about to film for you guys another synthetic wig try on. Something that I think everybody should know about this hair is like, if you want a out of the pack, just ready to go unit, this unit right here is the unit to go. Okay, she is fire. Her name is Zaniya. I got her in the color T1B27. She is a T-part wig though, so I will let you know, like, this is a T-part wig, but she was definitely very easy to install. Again, you know, with synthetic wigs, they already come styled and all that stuff, so it ain't nothing but to put her on and do what you gotta do to let everybody know, like, you're the one in the room. Like, yeah, this is that hair is like, damn, who is that? Like, yeah, I'm feeling myself. But anyway, so this is a deep part hand-tied baby hair unit. Again, she is a sensational Empress lace wig. Y'all, I want to say I paid like $35 for this wig. She comes in these colors as well. I got her in the color 1B actually. I have her again right here in 1B, and I just realized as I was doing my outro and now I'm filming my intro, I announced in my outro that I want to do a giveaway. So I will be doing a giveaway on this unit, so stay tuned to the end so you can hear more about that. But yes, I just want to stay till the end and you'll know why, okay? But yes, I will be doing a giveaway on that. So I don't want to talk too much. I want to go ahead and jump into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi, you guys. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been saying that you wanted me to actually film and talk to y'all into a more detailed, a more just hands-on onto applying wigs, and I'm totally down with that. So I'm going to show you how to put this unit on. She is gorgeous. She's giving me like something Mariah Carey would wear. Like, she's giving me a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. So she comes with 2 combs in the front. She is a T-part. That's the only thing, is she is a T-part wig. I do not like T-parts, but I'm gonna see what does she look like on. But she's a T-part wig. She has 3 combs, or 2 in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable strap. The parting obviously is amazing. The parting is obviously amazing. The net is a more of a, like a medium brown. It's not like a transparent, but I feel like it still looks good, you know? Like, yeah, like this looks really good. Okay, so I'm about to just put this bad boy on. We're gonna see what she does. Let's see, is she big head friendly? Y'all already know. Okay, y'all, so this is what she looks like with her on, not combed out. I'm not about to comb her out until I put her on, but I really think this color is really pretty. I just can't wait to comb it out because it's giving me wiggy vibes right now. So we're gonna customize her and get her together. So let's go. I need to change this outfit. This outfit throwing me off with this color. So don't worry, like, I'm about to change after this, but let me put this wig on for real. Okay, so you can tell that the hairline needs to be plucked. It is very, very, very dense. So I don't know if I want to plug that right now, girl, but I'm gonna. Okay, you guys, so I just realized, I know I'm supposed to talk in this video, but if you listen, my kids is playing with their daddy right now, talking about, where you at, fool? Like, the whole time. And I know I'm supposed to be talking, but I doubt this is going to be one of them talking videos, because my kids is being loud. He's hiding.
Get me.
You know, y'all, all of my YouTube videos. Damn.
Get me.
Come, you like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. You and me, you like the summertime love. You like the summertime love. I pull up to your spot in the evening. Got a life in a pop for the weekend. Girl, I said you're the one, and I mean that. Yeah, I mean that. I told my baby we can do what you want. Take the stress away from what you've been going through. Good is one thing on my mind. It's always you, yeah, it's always you. Feet up, palm trees, sundress, daiquiri. Way you look at me is staggering. Way I break out, sunsets, factory. Way I look at you like you got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. You and me, you like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject, I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy, can we make it move? I feel the heat like a summer solstice. Running out of words, running out of choices. I can hear the smile and the tone of voice, yeah. And it's something about that moon, make your lips taste just like June.
Okay, you guys, so here is the final review on this unit. Y'all, one thing about synthetic units, y'all, is the fact that they become in style. Like, don't nobody have time to put in these curls that the curls are giving. Like, this is so pretty. This bounce, this color, yeah. Come on now. Come on now. And I don't even think that y'all can see. I don't know. Can I turn down the, like, the true color? I don't know, y'all. But, oh, my God. She's so pretty. She is, look at this, like, flamboyage going through it. Like, I just had to turn the lighting down for you so you can see. But, yeah, yes, this is my final review on this. Is a 10 out of 10. I know every single time I film reviews, I'd be like, this hands down is my favorite wig. But for a synthetic wig, I would definitely say check all the videos that I've done on synthetic wigs. Out of synthetic wigs, this is by far the best one I have done. I'm gonna get one in 1B. Matter of fact, while I'm playing, look, let me see. Because while I'm playing, I have a whole nother film to do. So you guys, if you stay to the end, I will be doing a giveaway, okay? So I really, really hope that I have viewers staying to the end of this video because this just popped up. This color is that I'm wearing right now. Where's the card at? Okay, so specs on this wig. So pretty much this is Zaniya. She's a 21B number 27, all right? I have her in 1B and I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway. So on my next video, I'm gonna go through the comments and I want you to comment below why you feel like you should win a free wig, and I will give you this wig in 1B. So she's this wig, these curls, all of this just in the color 1B, and I will ship her out the very next day. So I will be uploading, I think the title is gonna say giveaway winner announcement, okay? But I'm gonna do something in here to let y'all know like it's a giveaway. So free hair, a giveaway, my first giveaway. I want to get to like 2,000 subscribers. I'm like at 1,800. I really want to get to 2,000, but free wig, like what? I'm trying to get a thumbnail. 1 second. Okay, so stay tuned for the giveaway. I will be announcing the giveaway winners, and I'm gonna say I have one video. So I'll let you guys know. Just stay tuned, okay? So thank you so much if you stay to the end. I absolutely love this freaking wig. She's so pretty. Here's the back. side profile. She's giving, definitely giving. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to my channel. Listen, we were just all over the place just now. Sorry about that. But yes, as you can see, I am trying to film and I have my kids talking to me. So, okay.